Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to delete a WordPress theme. So to do that you need to go to the appearance on the left side, then go in themes. Yeah, and as you can see this panel, we can see all of the themes that are currently installed in our WordPress. So even if you are a new user, you just set up your WordPress site, you probably notice that you've got a couple of themes that have been already installed. So if first of all, if you want to just change the theme, yeah, so do not to delete it, you need to just deactivate it. Yeah? So because the first theme is always the theme that you are currently using, which is activate. Yeah, but when you click on theme details, yeah, you can see that you've got some couple of options, which means that this theme is currently activated. When we go back to the themes, and you, for example, wanted to change your layout and change the theme and activate the new one, you just need to click on the activate button, yeah, on the new one. But in case if you want to delete a WordPress theme, let's say we want to delete this one, it's Cento. It's not activated, yeah, however still we want to delete it because we are not going to use it anymore. So we just to click on theme details, and then on the right corner we've got a delete button. So just click on the delete. We need to confirm that we want to delete this theme, and that's all. As you can see, the theme disappeared, which means that it was deleted from our WordPress. And so basically that's all. So as you can see, it's quite easy and fast to delete a WordPress theme. Yeah, so if you like my video, just click on the like button, subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, just put me a comment. Thank you for watching.